And so, did you see in the satanic societies any mention of Catholicism, priests, anything with the Pope, anything about Rome, anything in general there that was shown to you or discussed with you?
Praise the Lord. I visited Rome 3 times or more. But
Okay.
the one that I remember is 3 times that I visited Rome. And the last time I entered the place where any person, like a normal person, not supposed to enter in that. You see only about on top the thing that is physical, but under there is a spiritual things that only the secret society can see. Okay, Satan himself, his throne is there.
In Rome.
The place where you find the different sanctuary, and one of the specific place where only one person enter in this world and talk direct with the Satan. That specific place is there.
In Rome. Wow.
Yes, is there.